Hi, this video is dedicated to hack of Rigol MSO1000 series mixed signal oscilloscopes. As an example, I'll try to unlock all the features such as advanced triggers, decoders, memory depths, segmented memory, as well as 100 MHz bandwidth in my Rigol MSO1074Z oscilloscope. First stage of this tutorial is disassembling of oscilloscope's case. To do that I need to remove two screws at the bottom of device. Then I remove two screws at the top of device. Afterwards, the backward plastic case of the device could be safely removed. Next step is removing of three screws at the top of the metal chassis of oscilloscope. Then two screws on the left side of the device. After that, four screws at the bottom of the metal chassis should be removed too. Then two more screws on the right side. And at the end, one big nut on the BNC connector on the right side. This time the chassis cover is free and can be carefully removed. Now I am disconnecting a power supply connector from the PCB. And last but not least, fan connector. And at last I have a good approach to JTAG connector. Here is a functional description of JTAG connector pins. They need to be connected to the pins of our in-circuit debugger. I'm using JetLink Pro, and here is a cross-connection diagram. A boring process of pin connection in real life takes something like 5 minutes. Not too much, but sometimes annoying. connection is done. That's why I'm connecting the wire from chassis fan and the wires from power supply back. So everything is prepared, and now it's time to connect my in-circuit debugger to my computer and to switch on the oscilloscope. So I launched JLink Commander and self-test procedure is done. Now I'll stop the CPU, H, target is stopped. Now I'm adjusting the JTAG speed to 4800 kHz. Let's save our memory dump to a file which is called MSO1074Z.bin. On the matched memory segment, the procedure is slow and it needs something like 5 minutes to do it. So now it's successfully performed. I'm launching the CPU with G command. At this stage we don't need the hardware of oscilloscope anymore, and the device can really be reassembled. And we are going to wider procedure of decoding. And now the most interesting part of this hack, that must be done with Rigol software. In this case, a Windows version. The link for downloading this software I'll put under the video. We are decoding the MSO1074Z.bin and extracting the license keys. At the end of the procedure we should get 5 serial numbers. One for advanced triggers, one for decoders, one for memory depths, one for segmented memory, and one for 100 MHz bandwidths. By the way, Windows version of Rigol software were compiled by Anonymous Tomato, so thank you very much for that. Okay, and the last thing that we should do for today is to enter all these serial keys in the oscilloscope and to get finally all the options working. In this part of video you can see that this procedure should be done with intensity vocoder. And finally we've got it. Many thanks for watching this video. Bye!